I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over, until you kissed my lips, and you saved me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you say, they were never true. In the game you play, you would always win. But I set fire to the rain. What did pour? Desire touch your face? Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. Sometimes I wake up by the door, can't help myself but call for you. Even though we're already over, I can't help myself from looking for you. Ooh, fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I knew that was the last time. Oh no, let it burn. Let it burn. Let it burn.
Yes, Brianna, what a way you come out. Hey, moving on to our judges. First judges, Nero.
Baby, which part of your body hurt you right now? Don't, me see a whole lamp on your neck, you know. me see a whole lamp on your neck. But you're always a contestant that have a very good voice. You have a very, very good voice. And I think this song fits you. The song here fit you. You're going with a bag of things today. So with that, I give you a 9 for that still. The 1 point where you miss are the usage of the stage. While you're performing, do remember you're not inside your house. Eminem sing a song, lose yourself, listen to that song. You only have one chance. But we are 9 for that. Big up yourself, Brianna.
Alright, Nero Balisha, thank you for that. Bruce, what do you think about her performance?
Yeah, excellent performance. The rendition was good. The voice was good because ironically it's a song this me listen to regular. You understand? Yeah, man. you get the original justice Panda one here. So may I give 1 9 Panda one here, alright?
Alright, thank you for that, Bruce. Alright, General, him always alright. How am I right over there? Hold him
yeah.
Alright, General.
Yo, boss, Brianna. Manners and respect. Give thanks for being a part of the show. You see me I did outfit attire fully up. You see me I did the song choice fully up. Me not tell a lie. Me love the song where you choose and love how you sing it. You see me I deal with. Really and truly, you hit one note and you kinda crack a bit and you fell off of the rhythm one little part of one bridge, you miss one bridge. And me as a person who like original song, I don't really like cover version. But you do the cover version just. You get me I deal with. So with that said, me I give you 8, you see me?
Alright, thank you all the judges. I mean, hopefully to see you in the next round. Hey, may I tell you, big up Brianna. Hey, the rain is the only arena fall outside. You make the rain falling right now. 100% talent Jamaica. You don't know a thing go. I'm your host, $1 Million Voice. So we're moving on to another performer right now. Remember to keep the votes coming in. And if you think Brianna just sing for you properly and you like her, put in the vote.